Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And sometimes, I do have questions from people saying, well, is there a free version of this software, that software? Or often people will ask me, is there a free version of Microsoft Office? And the question is that most of these apps do not have any free option, but you have alternative options that are often very good. Not 100% compatible, but for the majority of people, I think it's good enough. One of them, if you want a Microsoft Office equivalent and, don't necessarily share that much with people with Microsoft Office, or it's just for your personal use, you can often work very well with Libre Office, which is by the Document Foundation. It contains an equivalent of, Word. That is the app called Writer. It has Calc, which is an equivalent of Excel, Impress, which is an equivalent of PowerPoint, and Base, which is the equivalent of DBase, the database creator, and Draw, and all sorts of things that might be interesting to you. So it is free. You can donate if you want to give a little something for support for this free Office suite. It's also cool for another reason. This is compatible with every platform. LibreOffice has a Windows version, a macOS version, and a Linux version. So that means whatever platform you're using, you can actually have a full and very powerful Office suite to work, and totally for free. And like I said, if you like what they're doing, don't hesitate to donate a little something. It helps this project continue also. So I'll share the link to the LibreOffice suite in the description below, and try it. Sometimes, and I would say very often, it is the only thing you need, and you don't really need to invest in buying, a copy of Microsoft Office or anything like that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.